Can I be brutally honest with you? Chances are, if you're watching this video, your Instagram isn't making clients want to book you. You don't know what to post, and Instagram feels like a burden to you. And in fact, some of the content that you post on social media scare your clients away. I myself had exact same problem in past. That's why in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what PMU clients actually want to see on your Instagram. So you can turn your profile views into paying bookings. And once you fix this, you won't need to post every day or chase clients. They will come to you. And if you're new to my channel, my name is /Cherry. I help artists skyrocket their skills with Now It's My Time program and get them fully booked with my marketing program Scale with Beauty /, which are the sponsors of today's video. So the first thing that I tell my student is Instagram for PMU beauty services is not about going viral or getting likes. It's about building trust and desire in someone who's already considering your service. So when the client lands on your profile, they're simply asking themselves, do I trust you with my face? Will I look good? Are you professional? Will this be worth my money? And everything you post should answer those questions without them even asking. So let me walk you through the content that clients actually want to see on your Instagram for PMU beauty services that makes them want to book with you. And after implementing, by the way, these 5 types of the content, my students had really good success. So people start inquiry about services. So do pay close attention to what I'm going to share with you in this video and know that these 5 types of the content will not work one without another. So they have to be combined together. So the very first type of the content is, of course, clear before afters with a good lamp lighting, with consistent angles and mixture of the full face before after and the half face before after. So I strongly suggest don't just post zoom in on pixels or strokes photos, because clients need to see how your brows will transform a real face so they themselves can imagine how it will transform them. And also remember, do not use heavy filters because sometimes it might appear fake. The second type of the content is video of the process. So it easily could be 10 to 30 seconds clips showing maybe the mapping, the first pass, the numbing cream process. People actually love to see the transformation in action. That is the best way to build trust with your clients, and that the clients will know that your photos are real and not taken from someone else or generated by AI. So the video is important. The number 3 are the useful posts. So posts with useful information for clients to read, to better understand the process, how it all going to go, how it all going to work. And this is again very amazing way to show how professional you are. And number 4, the content that shows you and your space. Clients really want to feel comfortable with you. So post photos and videos of yourself working your clean setup studio, show your personality. People want to get connected to you and feel trust to you. And the 5th type of the content is clients' reaction and reviews. So short testimonial videos, reveals, brow reveals are so great. Or screenshots of happy messages from your clients are amazing way to make your potential client want to book with you. By the way, if you want a checklist for you to know what exactly to film with each client, I created a free PDF for you. All you need to do is message me actually on Instagram, beauty / with this keyword that you're seeing right now on the screen. And I will send you my favorite PDF. You'll see what kind of angles I'm taking when I'm taking pictures, videos, and some interesting collages. So definitely worth checking it out. Now let's talk about what not to post, because let's be honest, you can lose a potential client in just 1 second the moment they land on your page. So here what makes them click away really fast. And the first one is messy and confusing profiles. If your page looks too messy with too many fonts, flashy colors, or it's unclear what you even offer, they will click away. Clients want to feel that your page is beautiful because they associate this with the beauty service you provide. So it should be clean, organized, and professional. And you can think about the respectful clinic versus a DIY night market shop. Now, the next one is blurry or inconsistent before and afters. If your results are hard to see or they don't follow a clean format, it will ruin the trust. So stick to the clear lighting, consistent angles. By the way, the PDF file that I'm offering for you will have that inside, and obviously more natural look without heavy editing. Now, next one is too many close-ups and none before afters. The clients don't care about pixels you create. They care about how they are going to look on the client, about the transformation. So you have to focus on the transformation the client will achieve going from point A to point B. They do not care about pixels or hair stroke lines. Now, the next one is unrelated or random personal content. If you're sharing too many personal posts or just even unrelated stuff on your social media, like your lunch, your gym, your selfies, pets, it might be too much for some clients. And let's say you just don't want to overspam your page and confuse your client. Obviously, if pets is something that you offer to your clients that you should post, maybe that on your social media, but still you would want to post something that clients are actually interested in. Now, the next one is trendy reels that do not match PMU. So even if reels are trendy, do not post them just to follow a trend. If it doesn't showcase your skill, the client's transformation, it will confuse the client and it won't bring you any followers. Maybe some likes, maybe some more views, but no clients. The next one, too many mixed services. I know a lot of you and me myself struggled with this one. When your page says PMU, but it also shows lashes, teeth whitening, massage, skincare, clients will feel unsure. You want to know you are an expert in one thing and not just fine in all five. The next one is sad or deadly client expressions. I know you definitely struggle with this. My students always struggle with that one. They come to me with clients who look terrified on the pictures, look unhappy. Your clients should look absolutely happy, satisfied, confident, and relaxed on your pictures. That just vibrates positivity and satisfaction from your service. If the clients look scared or uncomfortable, it will scare all your potential clients away. And also unedited harsh lighting. Colors that look unnatural or scary can also destroy trust. You should always use soft and flattering light. I advise 18-inch light. That makes your work really beautiful and appealing to the client. And last one, empty captions or just prices. Don't just write $500 brows and expect the client to trust you. Use caption to educate, to connect emotionally with each client and build desire for your service. And lastly, let me share with you how to turn a client from just looking around into actually booking with you. So, as you know, posting is really great. It builds trust, it builds desire, but you need to guide your client to take an action. That's why I always teach my students to end any content with calls to action that will lead them into bookings. And they should not be book now, book tomorrow. They should be more smarter. So I suggest to type call to action such as comment the word brows for a free consultation or free brow try on, something that is useful for the client. You can say comment the word brows and I will personally connect with you to talk about your brow goals, or you can use sometimes even more harsher calls to action such as I have 3 limited spots available, one at Thursday 7 p.m, Friday 5 p.m. Be very specific of the time, and also let them know how can they reach out to you, such as send me a message to reserve your spot. So try it on and use it. Now, at the end of this video, I want to give you a little challenge. I want you to open your Instagram profile right now and ask yourself, would I book me if I was a client who didn't know me? Ask this question yourself. If not, Start working on your trust building content. And if you need my help and curious about how to get yourself fully booked, you can absolutely just schedule a call with my team. Link down below to go over your personalized actions that you can start implementing right now to get yourself fully booked. And as always, I will see you in my next tutorials. Subscribe if you haven't, and more amazing content to come to help you get fully booked.